Hi everyone, it's Cars Guy Do It Yourself. Today I'm going to show you how to replace rear brake pads and discs in this Ford Focus 3rd generation. And you can do it at home on your driveway using all common tools. Really, I will show you how to handle with it and turn this into that. So stay with us. So let's get started. Okay, choke off front wheels so your car won't move. Now, loosen rear lug nuts and jack up rear of the car. Remove the wheel and put jack stand underneath. Those brake discs are in really bad condition. Brake pad is not using all his surface. It can cause weak brake force, also can cause vibration on whole car while car is braking. Have a look on this edge, it's all rusted and uneven. Okay, remove caliper spring clip. Grab flathead screwdriver and remove the spring. It's not going out, we will try with penetrating fluid. Still one side is stuck, we will try to pry it with a hammer. Okay, so that spring gets damaged, we will replace it later. Now we need to remove two plastic covers behind the caliper. Under caps are caliper guide pins with 7mm Allen key head. Unscrew them. That's how they look like. To take off the brake caliper from place, we need to use screwdriver. Pry it with a screwdriver like that. And it's out. Take a look on the brake pads. This groove is made by that rusted disc edge. We don't want to make a stress on that brake hose, so tie the brake caliper to one of the suspension elements. Remove brake carrier. To do it, we have to unscrew two bolts. Use 13mm socket, break free those bolts, and unscrew it rest of the way. Brake carrier is out. Wow, it looks really bad from inside. So, we can start to clean everything. We start with brake carrier. Using metal wire brush, remove rust from place where brake pads meets brake carrier. And if necessary, use metal file. Then put brake anti-seize grease on that place. Good! We can clean wheel hub with the metal wire brush. Time to take care of the brake caliper. Clean that dust cover from outside. Check under that cover how piston looks like. We are looking for any corrosion or dirt from brake pads. This one is okay. Now we can rewind the piston. That's the compression tool. It's not only pushing the piston inside, but it also screwing it in. The piston should turn nice and smooth all the way. It means that everything is fine with the brake caliper. At the end, we should feel resistance. That means we got to the end, so loosen it up. Work to improve the holes with the drill. This will remove oxidized aluminum from it. Now we can clean rest of the caliper body. Before we install brake disc on the wheel hub, wash it with a brake cleaner to wash out all dust from it. Then wipe it and apply small amount of anti-seize grease. Take a clean towel and brake cleaner, then clean brake disc from both sides. Good, we can install it on wheel hub. To hold it on place, we can use large nut, for example old spindle nut, and lug nut, like that. Before we install brake carrier, I will add medium strain threadlocker on both bolts. Then tighten it with 70 Nm torque. Apply brake anti-seize grease on inner side of brake caliper, over here. Clean guide pins with metal wire brush. That one should look like the bottom one. Use silicone grease for guide pins. Add some but not too much inside guide pin mount and on guide pins too. Then mount them on place. Time for new parts. They are different, take a look. We have two pins in the middle, close together. This brake pad is going here, outside. Brake pad has got pins too, but they are separated, because in the middle there is a place for brake piston, so that one goes there, inside. We can install them on place. Now mount the brake caliper. Tighten guide pins with 35 Nm torque. Put in cabs back on place. And new spring clip. Go inside the car and press brake pedal couple times to clear the clearance between brake pads and brake disc. Put wheel back on and tighten all wheel bolts. Do it with 110 Nm torque. Now repeat same procedure with other side. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe. Job done. Thanks for watching.